Hello, my name is Chris Palmer. Now, in this video, I want to give you the step-by-step how you can find and build endless .edu and .gov backlinks, but not only that, if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll also give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create two .edu backlinks today. So let's not waste any time. Please head over to chrispalmermarketing.com/gov-edu-backlinks. I have shared my footprint list. Now, a footprint is using search operators. Search operators are just another way to search Google. Each of these footprints are going to lead to another blog, another forum, another site that's an edu or .gov. But let me show you how to use these footprints to find .gov and .edu sites manually. So you'll head over here to Google and you're going to put in the search operator. Now this is going to show us login pages for .edu sites, but there's a lot better footprints on the page. All right, so let's just move right down the list. So what this is SMF, Fireboard, PHPBB. These are blogging platforms. These are platforms that host mini forums. And this is how you're going to find links that you can create profiles on, or they'll have a forum, or they'll have a chat. But in any case, you will be able to create, do follow, and a lot of times high quality .edu and .gov backlinks. So I'll just show you one more, just so you have the gist of it if you have not used search operators before. So we're just going to go to this one here on the list. We're going to copy that, head right over to Google, paste it in, and as you can see, it's yielding nothing but .edu pages that we could potentially set up a profile on, or at least leave a link. So let me show you the two backlinks that you can create today that I found by utilizing this process. But I cheated a little bit by using a tool, and these are called custom footprints. You would put them in here, and it will literally search all of the sites for you and bring you back a list. So as far as this particular task, this tool is excellent for that, along with many other things. Now, I'm not affiliated. I just feel this is an excellent tool. Now, let me show you the step-by-step walkthrough on how you can create two .edu backlinks right now. So let's go over to my other browser here. And before you get started, just like a lot of my walkthroughs on how to create backlinks, you will need a temp mail or a fake mail, a disposable mail, and just in case maybe you want to create multiples of these types of links, or you just want to keep your link building away from your main email, is head on over here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to copy down this URL. This is going to be the first walkthrough on how to create a edu backlink. So you will want to head to this site here. Go ahead and take a moment to jot that down. Now let me go ahead and give you the walkthrough on how to create this link. So first and foremost, you will want to agree to the terms. When you go to this page, you will be greeted with a list of terms. And then you just need to create your profile. So your ID is going to be your name. I'm going to put a SC. Now you can go ahead and add in any of these that you want, but make sure that you put in your website address. This is going to be the very first link that you create, but you can also go in and start participating in their community. So this is going to be the initial profile.edu backlink that we are going to create, but I'll also show you within the community how you can start leaving backlinks as well. So you get a double whammy on this particular website. So you will want to go ahead and put in your website here, or put it to a Web 2.0 property or a buffer site if you would like. So we will go ahead and submit this. All right, so after you have submitted your information, you will want to check your temporary mail or your email address. They will send you your username and password information. So after you receive that, you will want to go to log in. So your ID is the name that you came up with. So mine was SEO star, and then we're going to log in. All right, once logged in, you will be able to go up to your profile. I'll go ahead and show you that. That's where your initial link is. All right, so after you are done and you received your email, you will want to head over here to the community tab. And then this is where you can start accruing some more backlinks. So there's a couple things. There's events, announcements, a free board, a Q&A. This is going to be up to you. So we're going to go, just for this instance, we will go to the free board. All right, so once we're inside of there, we just want to do a quick, brief look at what they're talking about so it doesn't get removed immediately. So we can see here, all-in-one package training tool. They recommended it. All right, so we just want to thank him for recommending the packages, and then we will leave our link. All right, so let's go ahead and I'll walk you through the very next link. So take a moment to jot this down. It is dl.cdu.edu.ua/login/signup.php. So head on over to that locale. Once you are on that page, it will be in Russian, so you might want to translate it. Now, the very next step is we will need a login name. So we're just going to create a name for this. All right, so go ahead and add the email in 2 times. Next, you will need to add your name. Leave the country and the city the same, just because it makes things a lot easier. And then for the phone number, use the same number they have here, but change it around, because I'm not sure how those numbers work in this country. All right, once you've submitted the information, you will want to head over to your temporary mail or your email address. They will send you a verification code. All right, so after you have gone through the process of validating this particular account by email, after that, let me go ahead and show you what you need to do in order to get a contextual do follow backlink from a .edu on this particular platform. So what you'll do is you're going to head right up here to your account. As you can see here, there's an account here. And you will go to About the User. You'll have your in detail, reset page to default. There's all of these things here. But if you take a look right here, there's blog entries, message boards, discussion forum, and curriculum. But what we're interested in is going to be the blog entry. So along with blog entry, there's also message boards and discussion forums. Now, you can receive do follow links, but I feel a contextual from a heading link will be the most powerful. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and show you how to build right now. So once you have everything set up here, you're inside. We're going to go to blog entries. All right, so I went ahead and I filled out all of the details, putting in my normal structure, H1 tags, paragraphs, H2s. I built in a citation here, but in order to get the contextual backlink, and I'm going to put it inside of a header just to make it a little bit stronger. So we're going to highlight it, click on the link button. You're going to put the address, that's your backlink, wherever you would like to link out to. And then we will save changes. I'll go ahead and show you that it's do follow. All right, so here is the contextual do follow.edu backlink that we just created that contains our target phrase and a citation. All right, so as you can see, no follows are purple. Do follows are green. We have a do follow link going directly to our site with contextual backlink. We have our citation. Here's our services, but Now, you can go through and create blog posts and forum posts, but I really like this particular method on this website. So I hope that the footprints, along with these two .edu websites, can help you with your SEO and link building campaigns. But if you have any questions at all regarding link building, digital marketing, Facebook ads, SEO, backlinks, building backlinks, creating backlinks, I mean, really, anything at all digital marketing or SEO related, please leave in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, how to create powerful backlinks video. Have a wonderful day.